Hello everybody, and today we're going to talk about combining linear expressions with adding and subtracting. So looking at this example, notice we have two linear expressions of negative 4.2x plus 3, 2.5x minus 6. Alright, so I'm going to rewrite those. Does say to add. You can write them with parentheses, but given that they're being added, it's okay to leave them without parentheses. If you wanted to, you could put parentheses around the first and the second, but that is not necessary. Alright, I'm going to point out the like terms. The x's, anything with an x has a like term. Negative 4.2x and positive 2.5x, and then we have a positive 3 and a minus 6. Alright, let's take care of the numbers first. I got a positive 3 and a minus 6. Those come together to make a minus 3. Remember, when the signs are different, subtract the numbers. Keep the sign of the number furthest from 0. For negative 4.2x and 2.5, notice the signs are different. It's a positive 2.5 and negative 4.2. So we will have a negative 1.7x, and I got that 1.7 by subtracting 4.2 minus 2.5, 1.7. We keep the sign that's with the 4.2 because that number is further from 0. Alright, negative 1.7x minus 3. Now let's look at subtraction situations. It says subtract 2w plus 4 from 3w plus 6. So we're going to write the 3w plus 6 first. And then I'll put the 2w plus 4 after the fact. Alright, so what happens when you subtract? The negative sign gets distributed to each term in the second parentheses. Now if you want, you can think of it as a negative 1, and you're taking negative 1 times each of those terms. Negative 1 times 2w is negative 2w. Negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. Then we'll write the first term without parentheses. Alright, and then it's back to like the previous problem, but just combining like terms. The w's go together. 3w minus 2w is 1w. Positive 6, negative 4, positive 2. And if you wanted to, you could write the answer without the 1. So you could just say w plus 2, and that would be the final simplified answer. Alright, let's look at one more. Subtract 5x minus 2 from negative 3x plus 4. I'll write the negative 3x plus 4 first. That is what we are subtracting from. I'm going to take away 5x minus 2. It's real important to write subtraction problems. Write them in parentheses so you see them. Remember that negative sign, think of it as a negative 1. It gets distributed to everything in the second set of parentheses. We'll have negative 5x, and in negative of a negative is a positive. Negative times a negative is a positive. Think of it like that. I'm going to write the first without parentheses. We're back to combining like terms. Negative 3x, negative 5x. Put them together to make a negative 8x. Then we're going to add the 4 and the 2 together. Plus 4 plus 2 makes a plus 6. Final answer negative 8x plus 6. And there we are. Thank you for watching.